Iowans were again taking cover tonight. A tornado warning went out earlier this evening for portions of southern Iowa.
Much less damage tonight, but still there are some areas picking up the pieces. In fact, our WHO Lindsay Burrell is near Millerton in Wayne County. Lindsay, I know that you just got on the scene. You've been out looking with Jake Darling for damage, and it looks like you found something there behind you.
Yeah, guys, we're right outside the town of Millerton in Wayne County on 150th Street. We saw some reports on Twitter on some damage here. I talked to a resident in Millerton. He pointed us straight to this. This is the damage that we found. We're hearing this is from tornado damage. There are some crews on the scene for downed power lines that are working diligently to try to get some of these poles back up. You can see all of this damage here as wood is thrown everywhere outside of this large field. You can see massive farm equipment. What you can't see actually on the other side of that is a pontoon boat, different types of lawnmowers, farm equipment, all standing here. Was under a giant shed. That is no longer. Now, I also want to point, if you look kind of further down, you're also going to see an A-frame. That's a older shed, I was told, that also collapsed here during this, what seems to be, what we're hearing is apparent tornado damage right here in Wayne County. You can see that A-frame. I was told that is a significantly older shed, the shed larger that you're seeing some of the farm equipment under, just under a year old. So yes, crews are right here on the scene trying to pick up some of this stuff. Like I said, we're hearing that this is apparent tornado damage, but lots of damage. Looks like these sheds just combusted, but it does look like most of the stuff underneath is okay, but definitely moved around from winds. Like I said, we're here live in Wayne County, right outside of the town of Millerton with some damage. We're going to send it back to you in the studio.
All right, Lindsay Burrell finding some of that damage there tonight. We appreciate you looking out for folks down there as well. Thank you.